This instructional video has been specifically produced to assist you on how to correctly install the Bosch Phantom device. Bosch Phantom is an IoT solution developed to enable effective energy management and the measurement of operational metrics of an asset by utilizing real-time measurement of electrical consumption. Bosch Phantom provides key insights on the source of power, consumption patterns, deviations, run hours, and other operational metrics associated with an asset. Peel the covers of the two stickers on the back of the sensor device. Mount the device on a horizontal or vertical surface. Care must be taken to choose the most appropriate orientation while mounting the sensor device. Mounting with screws. Using the drill paper guide, mark 4 locations to be drilled on the surface. Drill holes of sufficient depth to accommodate screws 1.5 inches long. Open the 2 flaps of the sensor to expose the 4 screw guide channels. Mount the sensor device on the vertical surface using the 4 screws provided in the box. Identifying the CT by the color code Line 1, Line 2, Line 3, and follow the local color code for Line 1, Line 2, Line 3. Clamp the CT around the individual power cable for each phase. Ensure that the front surface of the CT with the color code sticker is oriented in the direction of the power source. Connect the CT female connector to the male connector on the sensor device labeled as current input. The marking sticker and the unique connector on the sensor device will guide you. Before connecting the wires, it's crucial to know which wire colors are applicable to which region. Identify the MCB switch associated with the electrical load machine of interest. Remove about 2 inches of insulation from the wires. Connect the 4 individual wire strands in the voltage connector cable to the appropriate points of the 4-pole MCB. Be sure to follow the right color coding of the wires to ensure the correct connection. Connect the female connector of the cable to the male connector on the sensor device labeled as voltage input. Here is an overview of the complete 3-phase installation. It is important to ensure that all the wires are properly connected. Use the cable ties to secure any loose or hanging cables. Fill the installation card and tag it around the voltage cables. Be sure to mention details such as name, phone number, and email ID of the local primary contact person. The Bosch Phantom device is now ready to use.